Hello there, welcome back. Today I wanted to share an anecdote with you. For those who don't know what it means, let me start by telling you its meaning. It's a short, amusing story from one's life which you feel like sharing with others. This story, which I am going to tell you now, is something which I have experienced. Let's begin then. Welcome to my office. On a busy day at office, I got to know that I've been assigned to handle one more new team apart from the teams and responsibilities that I've already been handling. I've received an email from this new team asking me to handle a task. After some time, a manager from this team walked to my desk. We had a little introduction chat, during which he told me about that email you received a while ago. I am planning to give it to someone who has handled it for my team earlier. I was a bit surprised. I told him, "Oh, yeah, that email I received a while ago." He then replied, "Yeah, that one. It's really urgent and important. I'm planning to give it to someone who did it really good last time. Hope you understand. What do you say?" he asked me. I'm really angry now. First, he sends me an email to handle it. Now, he walks to me and tells me that he will give it to someone who does a better job at it. I thought, what does he even know about me to think that I can't do this? You know, corporates, whatever happens, you have to always smile. So, with a smile on my face, I replied him, I'm okay with it, even though I was furious inside. And then he smiled and left. Back into my chair, I tried to concentrate on rest of my work. After some time, I had coffee. Followed by that, I worked and then had lunch. But all the time, I had only one thing in mind. Why did he have to say it? How did he think that I can't handle it? Luckily, it's almost 5 pm and I'm done for the day. I headed straight to a beauty parlor from office to get my eyebrows done. There, I was looking for the lady who usually does it for me. They've asked me to sit in a chair available. A new girl has walked to me and told me that she will be doing the eyebrows today for me. I almost immediately stopped her, telling, "Oh, I wanted the other girl to do it. Actually, she does it usually to me and does it really well. I like it," I told her. The girl seemed like she doesn't know what to do. She was very calm and then she said, "Let me try it this one time, ma'am. If you don't like it or if you don't feel comfortable, I will get her." I am convinced the way she told me. Also, the other girl is busy, so I allowed her to do my eyebrows. While she was doing my eyebrows, I suddenly remembered, oh, this is what has happened to me in office, and I reacted exactly the opposite. It felt I would have offered to do the job too. I know I'm really good at it. At the end, it's up to him whether or not to give me the chance. It is our work that should speak for ourselves, isn't it? Having realized it, I was looking at this girl and admiring her more and more while she was shaping my eyebrows. Sometimes it takes a stranger to teach you a lesson, to make you remember yourself, and to change your perspective in a much more positive way. Having no idea what she's taught me today, she innocently told me, "Madam, done. Please check and tell me if there are any more changes." Smiling at her, I looked into the mirror. They looked perfect than ever. She did an amazing job. I thanked her so much, and I also told her that I did not believe she is going to do such an amazing job. While leaving, I left a review about what a good job she has done today. I've also left some tip for her and walked out of there happily. Finally, the end. Time to introduce the cast and crew. If you wish to share any of your stories and experiences, please write to me. I'll try to create and animate them in the best possible way I could. Let's share them with the world. You know the drill. Comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.